Can an LLC own another LLC? Yes, an LLC can own another LLC, and this setup is often called a parent-subsidiary structure. It's commonly used by business owners who want to separate risks, manage different lines of business, or protect assets under different entities while keeping overall control at the parent LLC level. For example, a parent LLC could own one LLC for real estate, another for e-commerce, and another for consulting. If one LLC faces a lawsuit or debt, the others are shielded, reducing overall risk. This structure also simplifies management since profits and losses can be consolidated under the parent. The operating agreement of the parent LLC should clearly state ownership of the subsidiary. Taxes can be more complex depending on how each LLC is classified, but it is completely legal and widely used. Zen Business can help you form and organize LLCs under a parent-subsidiary structure to protect your assets. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.